This is part 3 of tips on how to generate power in Gong Li Quan. Next, we'll talk about breathing. So your breathing strategy will depend on what you're going to coordinate it with. For now, try to inhale on the blocks and exhale on the strikes. So from the beginning of the form, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So when you're breathing, usually we inhale through the nose and then we can exhale through either the nose or the mouth. And again, it depends on what you're going to coordinate it with. So for example, sounds. So the first sound I want you to try is hm. So inhale, and then as you exhale, add a hm. And the next sound I want you to try is ha. So again, inhale through the nose, and then exhale through the mouth. Ha! As you make the sounds, try to have them come from the center of your body rather than from your throat, which is a little more superficial. So from the beginning, inhale. So on the exhales, I'm exhaling out of my nose. Now let's try ha. So that time as I was exhaling out of my mouth. So you'll notice with it's a bit more contained, and with ha, you manifest more power that way. It might feel awkward at first, but keep practicing until it feels a bit more natural. You'll start to see that your form is going to feel a little bit different. So today we talked about breathing and sounds. Next time we'll go into a few more tips. Thank you.